Hello everyone, we are back to another tutorial with your favorite channel, Frosty Home Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to convert an image that is webp to PNG or GPG, okay? So for example, we have this one from AMD's website. Wait, where is the pic? So let's say this one. It's webp, right? Let's go into it. No need to go into it, bro. So as you can see, after we download it, we see that it's webp. So we go to a website called Cloud Convert. I'll put you the link in the description. I already used an image here. So let's select the file, then choose the image. Let's say this one from AMD, and let's click convert to. Then we can choose which format we need to convert to, GPG or PNG or anything you want. Let's say PNG. Convert. So now we have to wait for it to finish uploading. It's gonna take a little bit of time, depends on your internet connection, of course. And while we're waiting, please leave a like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. So as you can see, the image has been downloaded, that has been converted successfully, and we can now download it and put it on the desktop. So let's see the picture now. As you can see, it's in PNG. We can use it on our Photoshop or use it on anything we want. So this is it for now. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment as usual. So I see you next time.